Do that one dance, baby. That one dance.
Hello everyone! Welcome back sa aking channel. Kadarating lang namin, galing kami sa labas. Nag-follow up check up kasi si My Love gawa nga nung frozen shoulder niya last 2 weeks. So ngayon, hinabot kami ng hapon na. Nag-snowing sa labas. Gagawa ako ng aming makakain. Nag-init lang ako ng tubig. Kasi magpapakulo ako ng bigas. Boiling bag na binili namin. So, hindi na siya kailangan kagaya nung normal na pagluluto. Para na lang kung pancit canton, pakukulan na lang. How many minutes is this? Pakukuluan lang ng 30 minutes. Tapos, ilalagay mo lang ng plastic. Maluluto na siya. Ang aming ulam naman ay chicken. Ano siya tawag dito? Chicken wings. 101 kroner. So, kapag nasa piso, abot tong 600 plus. Ganito lang siya. How many? 678 grams. Kami lang naman inailam ang kakain. Masarap to. Paborito ko to. Actually, ako ang mag-request nito. Dapat ang bibilihin namin ay pizza na naman. Tapos buong manok. Sabi ko kay Maylab para maiba naman. Ito na lang. Ito yung chicken wings. Yan. Let's try it today.
I'll think about the idea, but from
Suicide!
you must make something from out of it.
Later! Palabas kami. May towel. Ayaw ni Maylab maki-challenge sa akin. Ayaw niya makisama. Wala siya sa mood, so ako na lang mag-isa. Pero, sasamahan niya ako sa labas. Naka-ready ang aking towel. Where do I need? Here or over there? Where do you think?
There. Up to you.
There, I think it's okay.
Okay.
Let this show that it is snowing. Yeah, it's snowing, guys. Diba? Ah. So, but I don't need to remove this one. Only clothes, okay? Wait lang. Maybe the neighborhood will think that I'm crazy. Ooh, ooh, ooh. But I think I better wear the boots.
No.
Nay, it's okay.
You need to be barefoot.
I think I can wear it just like this.
You need to be barefoot.
Ay! Wait. Nah, I think it's too much if I barefoot. Woo, woo, woo. Ay!
Oh no, chicken.
Or I can just, yeah, I can. Woo, woo, woo. Here they for more.
Yeah. Mm.
But I think it's too much if I remove the boots.
No, try no.
Try not. I think it's too much.
You need to be quick.
Why?
It's easier that way.
It's okay. Ooh. Ooh. I think enough. I'm almost done. But it's fun. How long it will be? I can do it as a 3 minutes.
It is 3 now.
Oh, I think it's too much. No, it's enough. Look. Look. I'm getting red. Just for how many minutes? No. Enough. It's enough. Let's go inside. Let's go inside, babe. Hindi ko pala kaya ng matagalan. Nawala ang aking... Huh? How do I feel? I feel numb. And look at this. Not too bad, but I feel... Oh. namanhid yung aking mga legs, tsaka yung aking mga braso. As in, manhid na manhid. Ito, balot na ako. Wala namang pumilit sa akin. Talagang gusto kong gawin yung challenge na yun.